Headlines. Disqualification of 3 Zilla Parishad members of Imphal East District by Adhyaksha turns out to be a big issue. Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. Let's see the news in detail now. The disqualification of 3 Zilla Parishad members of Imphal East by Adhyaksha of Imphal East District might turn out to be a big issue. In this regard, a public meeting was held with the presence of representatives of 15 different organizations under the jurisdiction of Kairao Makting Gram Panchayat at Kairao Makting Litan Makhom today. The meeting resolved and warned that if the disqualification order of 3 Zilla Parishad members by Adhyaksha of Imphal East is not revoked by 4 p.m. of today, the matter will be brought to the Manipur High Court and the office buildings of RD and PR and DC office Imphal East will be locked. Many speakers expressed that disqualification of 3 elected members by Adhyaksha is definitely a violation of people's rights. The matter behind the disqualification is an open secret. In truth, it is indeed a violation of the rules and regulations of Gram Panchayat and the Indian Constitution too. Besides, it is a clear example to suppress the members who speak against the Adhyaksha. Addressing the gathering, spokesperson of Pangal Political Forum, M.I. Khan, said the fact that a member who secured a minority in the no confidence motion election has been announced as winner over a member who got 11 votes and secured majority is very unfortunate and unacceptable. The motive of trying to repress devolution of Gram Panchayat is highly condemnable. If the Adhyaksha fails to revoke the disqualification order by 4 p.m. today, the matter will be brought to the Manipur High Court. If necessary, people will knock the door of the Supreme Court too, M.I. Khan added. On the other hand, Arapti Mamangleka Youth Club has condemned the disqualification of Zilla Parishad member Abdul Salam of Kairao Makting in the strongest terms. A press release issued by the club has stated it is suspicious of conspiracy and attempt to slacken the developmental works taken up in the area. The authority concerned should clarify the matter to the people at the earliest, it is reported. President of Manipur People's Organization, Mainam Somen, has said that the organization will take up projects to emphasize on green revolution with the objective to impart a sense of work culture to the youths of the state. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, he further said his organization is planning to take up many projects in green revolution widely in the state.
So, masile ma tam da ko ye manti saukat pa ing tapa santi leba lam mo oi tani adu ya sala na license kom to ja ato program bu ya skill development program ko ye expert sing ko na contact to ga mayam da sige po training po ap pa kana ba ko bona de ne kana sa to.
A one-day political conference organized jointly by Oinam BJP Mandal and Ngaikong Khulen Election Campaign Committee was held at the residence of Khunrakpam Romeo at Ngaikong Khulen, a candidate of BJP for the coming 11 Assembly election yesterday. Many villagers of Ngaikong Khulen also took part in the conference. Addressing the gathering, Khunrakpam Romeo said an agitation will be launched with the support of people if the allotted rice quota for his assembly constituency under the National Food Security Act is not made available to the people.
Food security ki matang da show jaga amadana Mars ki pire jaga amadana February ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯖꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯆꯤꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯎꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯥꯝ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯥꯝ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯆꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ.
A one-day literary forum jointly organized by Sahitya Academy and Manipuri Department, Manipur University, on the topic Contemporary Manipur Fiction, a Critical Assessment 1990 to 2010 was held at the Court Hall of MU today. Speaking at the function, head of Manipuri Department, MU, Nahakpam Aruna, said there is a great difference in the way of writing between the past and the present. She further said such forum is being organized to discuss the changing scenario in the field of literature.
Ariba upal tu dagi naken thada mana ken harkanda anoba muk chongba adumaina anoba aiba kayasi changsil eba adu changjal iba singse aikhoi karamba mayon da chatliba ge haibasi nainabasgi tangai phadaba lei aduna adugi tangai phadaba do thamjarakanda site academy ge loinana Manipuri department na Contemporary Manipuri Fiction, a Critical Assessment 1990 dagina 2010 haiba matam se thamjaraga nainanaba lakhusaba thoramni.
MLA S. Bira has opened a free coaching class at Phobakchau Ikhai Mayai Lekai Community Hall. The coaching class has been organized jointly by Torbung Area Development Organization and Kumbi Block Youth Congress Committee. Pradhan of Torbung Gram Panchayat, Sapam Rajen, President of Kumbi Block Youth Congress Committee, L. Shekhor, and many others were present in the inaugural function. In his speech, MLA S. Bira said the coaching class has been opened with the objective to impart the best knowledge to the students to bring about a good society. It is reported that a total of 130 students from class 8 to 10 are attending the free coaching class. Medical and Engineering Coaching Institute, MESI, Kaishampat, today felicitated the Manipuri toppers in the NEET 2016 conducted by CBSE. Malem Ganba, Sachindra and Hemchandra, who stood in 2nd, 3rd and 4th positions of Manipur respectively, were honoured during the felicitation function held at the office of the institute. And now the headlines once again. Disqualification of 3 Zilla Parishad members of Imphal East District by Adhyaksha turns out to be a big issue. Thanks for joining us and do keep watching for more updates.